The Kamakhya, Howrah Vande Bharat Sleeper Train represents a new chapter in India's long-distance rail travel, combining modern technology with the comfort of overnight journeys. Designed specifically for passengers who travel long distances at night, this train brings the Vande Bharat experience beyond short daytime routes and into the world of sleeper travel. It connects the northeast with eastern India, linking Kamakhya near Guwahati in Assam to Howrah in West Bengal, two important cultural, economic, and transport hubs. As the train departs from Kamakhya in the evening, passengers immediately notice that this is not a traditional express train. The sleek design, quiet interiors, and automatic doors create a feeling closer to a modern aircraft or premium metro system than an old-style sleeper train. The coaches are fully air-conditioned and built with advanced suspension systems that reduce vibration and noise, making the overnight journey smoother and more relaxing. This is especially important on a route that covers nearly 1,000 kilometers and takes around 14 to 15 hours to complete. The sleeper configuration is the heart of this train. Instead of standard seating, it offers AC First Class, AC 2-tier, and AC 3-tier coaches, all designed with improved berths, better spacing, and modern lighting. The berths are more ergonomic, allowing passengers to rest properly through the night. Soft LED lights, individual reading lamps, and improved air circulation help create a calm environment suitable for sleep. For families, solo travelers, and elderly passengers, this comfort can make a significant difference compared to conventional overnight trains. Safety is another major highlight of the Kamakhya, Howrah Vande Bharat Sleeper. The train is equipped with advanced safety features, including modern braking systems and India's indigenous KAVACH anti-collision technology, which enhances protection against accidents. CCTV cameras, secure doors, and well-designed corridors add to passenger confidence, especially during night travel. Bio-vacuum toilets and touch-free fittings improve hygiene, reflecting Indian Railways' push toward cleaner and more sustainable operations. One of the most attractive aspects of this service is the inclusion of meals in the ticket fare. Unlike many traditional sleeper trains where food quality can vary, this Vande Bharat Sleeper focuses on standardized, high-quality catering. Passengers can expect freshly prepared meals inspired by regional cuisine. On journeys starting from Assam, Assamese flavors are likely to be featured, while trips from Howrah may highlight Bengali dishes. This regional touch adds cultural value to the journey and makes the travel experience more memorable. The timing of the train is planned carefully to suit overnight travelers. Departing in the evening, it allows passengers to board, settle in, have dinner, and rest through the night, arriving at the destination early the next morning. This schedule is ideal for business travelers, tourists, and anyone who wants to save daytime hours while covering long distances. Instead of losing a full day to travel, passengers can wake up refreshed and ready for their plans. Beyond passenger comfort, the Kamakhya, Howrah Vande Bharat Sleeper has strategic importance. The Northeast has long needed faster and more reliable rail connectivity with the rest of India. This train strengthens that link, supporting tourism, trade, and cultural exchange. For students, professionals, and families who frequently travel between Assam and West Bengal, it offers a modern alternative to flights and conventional trains, balancing speed, comfort, and affordability. From a technological perspective, this sleeper variant shows how the Vande Bharat platform can be adapted for different travel needs. While earlier Vande Bharat trains focused mainly on short to medium daytime routes, this version proves that the same modern design philosophy can work for overnight journeys as well. Successful high-speed trials, with test runs reaching very high speeds, demonstrate the train's potential for future expansion to other long-distance routes across India. As the train glides into Howrah in the morning, passengers step out having experienced a journey that feels both efficient and comfortable. The Kamakhya, Howrah Vande Bharat Sleeper is not just another new train, it symbolizes the modernization of Indian railways and its focus on passenger experience. It blends speed, safety, comfort, and regional identity into one service, setting a benchmark for future sleeper trains in the country. In the coming years, this train is expected to inspire similar services on other long-distance routes, gradually transforming how people think about overnight rail travel in India. For many passengers, the journey itself will no longer be a tiring necessity, but a pleasant and restful part of their travel story.